Welcome to the carrot farm. Farmer Ben is working so hard. Let's help him.
I know! A rainbow excavator will be perfect!
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A rainbow excavator. Wow! Look at those beautiful colors!
Thank you! Thank you! This is so helpful!
My turn to drive!
Oh no! Where is our rainbow excavator?
Monkey Bandit is ruining the farm! Look at the mess!
Help! Help! Paint girl! The monkey is destroying my carrots!
Don't worry, Farmer Ben. We are coming!
Oh no! A wall of carrots! Caught you! No more naughty playing!
You have to say sorry to Farmer Ben and fix everything.
It's okay. Let's work together now.
Magic brush. Restore the carrots. We did it!
Good job, everyone! Carrots for everyone! Thank you for saving my farm.
Drawing is fun. See you next time. Did you like our rainbow excavator? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids. Bye-bye.